Before we start this activity in science, activity 3, materials needed are 1 stick, 2 stone, 1 drum, and half fill of water. Pail. First, get a table and weight the use of stick. Gently tap the table. Number 3. Do this in an open area with a partner. Let your partner stand at least 10 meters away from you. Strike a drum with drumstick. Gentle tap to a hard tap. Now, let's begin the experiment. I will tap this table and gentle to hard. Gentle. Medium. Hard. Second, we tap the stone in the half fill of water and 3 times. Thus, low, medium, and hard. Put the stone and slow tap the pail. Slow. 1, 2, 3. Medium. Hard. 3. I tap this drum 10 meters away from my partner. Slow, medium, and hard. 3. Low. 1, 2, 3. Medium. 1, 2, 3. Third. Hard. Una sa ginawa naming experiment sa upuan, iba-iba ang tunog sa aking pagpalo ng slow, medium, and hard. Second, sa half fill of water, pero ang tubig parang umaalon-alon.
Palakas ng palakas.
Palakas na palakas ang alon ng tubig. Number 3, ang drum, depende sa pagkapalo ang tunog niya sa slow, mahina ang tunog, sa medium, medyo malakas, sa hard, malakas po. Bye! Thank you for watching my vlog. TVM.